Don't be afraid to unlist a video which you know is not good.
Around the world, round the world, around the world, round the world, around.
Yeah, so I threw this video together in like 5 minutes, saw the meme, fed the actual text to a text-to-speech robot, and it still gets views randomly for like no real reason, and like from the actual Daft Punk videos, it has a pretty okay click-through rate, which is, I guess, cool, but the engagement is like 15 seconds on average. Out of a 2-minute video, 12% engagement is not ideal, and I'm pretty sure we've reached a point where not all views are good views. Moreover, even if this video did somehow get more engagement and subscribers for my channel, it's not the content that I want to be making, and it's not content that would be lucrative to make. Was a one-off for the memes, and while I do enjoy Daft Punk, the people who are clicking from a Daft Punk video over to a meme about a Daft Punk song are not my target audience. But when you're reviewing your channel and you're trying to gain traction, make sure that you're gaining the traction that you want. There was value to me learning how to edit together a video using only command line tools on an old beaten down laptop, but that specific video is not helping my channel to grow.